What if I say that you can double, triple, and even quadruple your internet speed? Make your internet faster with the help of one trick and just for free. I will describe it just with the help of one word: easy. So this trick is actually not nothing new. One even time about this said even this kind of tech blogger like Linus Tech Tips, this kind of degent like Linus, and do all of this to us gonna help the Cloudflare, I mean the DNS server 1.1.1.infinitely. I first will show you how to use all of this in your simple life, and after that I'm gonna describe what I did. First, enter to your control panel, and after that find here your internet, your first link. After that change the adapter settings, push on it, find here your adapter. Now internet protocol for version 4 settings, find here again settings, and here use this DNS servers, and this thing which we show here 1.1, we're gonna write here 1.1.1.1.1, yeah, like that. Click OK and your internet will speed up. And actually there is all which I wanna tell you, but let's think deeper. What I did, what this is 1.1.1, all of this is DNS servers. For example, when you are typing in a Google, for example YouTube, actually this is a domain name. All of this kind of links like youtube.com, google.com, or Spotify, webplayer.com names which are encrypted in this kind of domain names, for example youtube.com. And there is actually overall, guys, I told you the version with the help of which you can speed up your internet with the help of some kind of programs, City Cleaner or Defenders. Just changing your DNS server, proved by Linus.